This Ivan is half a Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday deals for $117. This is the first one for me of 2026. I was trying to get all those clearances out of the way, guys. We don't want to miss anything. But let's get back to our regular schedule. Let's get some Tide for cheap. Let's go. Okay, guys, let's get this first deal on the road. And the first thing you're going to do is pick up one Tide with Downy. It's the 18XL. One Febreze scent booster at $10. Oh, let me go back. This is $9.95. We have two coupons, one for $1.50 manufacturer and one for $2 DG. Now we're going to use the 5 off 25, so we need to go up to what, $27 into a stat of 25. Then we're going to grab the Febreze scent booster at $10. It's a $5 coupon. 1 Degree at $3.75. It is a $1. It's a $2 coupon. I'm sorry. And then one Febreze small space at $3.50. It is a $2.50 coupon. Let's scan everything. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4 products up in here, guys. Okay, let's get to scanning. First of all, here's your 5 off of 25 for Saturday. Whenever you see the scissors, tap it because you need to check it off or cut the coupon. Okay, and then we have Tide at $9.95. Here are the coupons. You have a $1.50 coupon manufacturer, and then you have a $2 off coupon, and that is a DG that expires on Saturday. Now these two coupons will stack, but because we're using the 5 off 25, we need to go to $27 to cover this $2 coupon. Okay, and then we scan the Febreze plug scent booster at $10. Here it is. We have a $5 off coupon that expires on the 24th. Whenever you see the scissors, make sure you tap it so you can cut it. Then we're going to scan the small space. Small space is $3.50. Okay, and then you have a $2.50 coupon, does not expire to the 24th. Okay, the Degree is $3.75, and you have a $2 coupon, again does not expire until the 24th. Let's do the math. The Tide is $9.95. The Febreze scent booster is $10. The small space is $3.50, and the Degree deodorant is $3.75. Now, as you can see, it took us to $27.20. So we covered the $2 Dollar General coupon for the Tide and went over by 20 cents. So let's do this. The first thing is gonna come off, guys. It's gonna be that $2 for the Tide because that's a DG coupon. Then it dropped down to $25.20. So we know that we're still covered. Okay, then next is going to come off is your 5 off 25. Then that $1.50 for the Tide manufacturer, that $5 for the scent booster, that $2.50 for the small space, and that $2 for the Degree deodorant. It's going to leave us at $9.20. Now, this right here, this is $9.95 by itself. So this whole deal that we're getting right here is less than a bag of Tide. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is divide that by 4. There it is, $2.30. So you are paying $2.30 for this Tide, $2.30 for this Febreze booster. Now, these are givens, these two, right? Okay, so let's start the year off right and stay under budget. Let's get to another deal. Okay, now, so I want you to take a good look at what we're going to do today, guys. This deal is going to involve us using the spin deal for the Scott plus the 5 off 25 deal, okay? So that's what we're going to do right now. So first thing we scanned was the Scott paper towel, and I am spinning, and it's at $5, at $5, guys. Then we have a couple of deals going on. One, we have a manufacturer for $2 off of 2. We picked up 2. Then they have a offer for spend $20 and you'll get $4 off. So we already spent 10 with these 2 Scott. Let's scan the Scott tissue. You're going to pick up 2 Scott tissues and then 1 Febreze scent booster. Okay, so the Scott tissue is at $5 and they have a number of deals. They have the $2 off of 2, and then they also qualify to spend 20, get $5 off. Okay, now we know the scent booster is $10. $5 coupon manufactured. These 2 coupons for the Scott tissues are manufactured coupons. All right, now, so let's get to it. So we're going to say $20 because 5, 10, 15, 20 for the tissue, so $20. Then we know this booster is 10. There we go at $30. Now, 2, 4, you need to go up to what? $29 in order to cover that $4, right? Okay, so we covered it. We're up to 30. First thing is going to come off is that $4 off that spend 20, get 5. Leaves you at $26. So we are still covered for the 5 off 25. Now the next deal is going to come off is that 5 off 25, right? So that we at 21. Then you're going to do the $2 off the Scott tissue, the $2 off the Scott paper towel, and then you're going to do 5 off the Febreze scent booster. It's going to leave us at $12, guys. All of this is $12. Awesome deal. Divide that by 5 products. You're going to pay $2.40 for these deals. So your Scott paper towel, Scott tissues paper towel, and the scent booster is $2.40. Now that's an awesome deal right there, and I definitely would be thinking about doing this deal, especially if you are a new beginner and you're stocking up. Okay, so let's get to our next deal, guys. You're going to pick up 2 Scott tissues. We know that they're $5 each, but we have a $2 off 2 coupon. Then you're going to pick up 1 all detergent at $5. It is a $1.50 coupon. 1 small space, we know it's $3.50. It's $2.50 coupon. We know that the degree is $3.75. It's a $2 coupon. And the only thing we need to scan is the speed stick. That's $2.75, and it is a $1 off coupon. So here we're going to scan the speed stick at $2.75, and here is our $1 off. Let's do the deal. We're going to do 5 plus 5 for the each Scott tissue, plus 5 for the all, plus $3.50 for the small place, plus $3.75 for the degree, plus $2.75 for the speed stick. It's going to take us to $25 even. Now in this deal we have a small space, a detergent, and 2 tissues. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is take your 5 off 25. You're going to take your $1 off the speed stick, your $2 off the Scott, your $1.50 off of the all detergent, your $2.50 off the small space, and your $2 off the degree. It's going to leave us at $11. That's an awesome deal right there, because these 2 tissues are $10 by itself. So for the price of 2 tissues and $1 extra, you got all of this. All right. We're going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and you're going to pay $1.83 each. So besides you paying $2.30 or 40 cents the last time, now you're going to pay $1.83 if you do this deal. Okay, so pay attention, guys. It's how you set your deals up. Let's stay on a budget. Right here we have a cleaning deal, guys. Yes, a cleaning deal, I call this. Febreze scent booster, $10, $5 coupon. Febreze small space, $3.50, $2.50 coupon. Now let's scan the Tide, and we already know this Tide is $9.95. We have a $1.50 manufacturer and a $2 Dollar General, so we know now we're up to $27 that we have to cover. But let's see what the Tide rinse is telling us. The Tide rinse is telling me that it is $6.95, and they gave me a $2 Dollar General coupon, and when I see the scissors I need to clip it. So we're going to go further than that, guys, because we had coupons that came in the mail, and I have a coupon for that. Okay, so this is the pack of coupons that came in the mail, and I paid for shipping only. I did not pay for the coupon. I will put who I paid for the shipping from in the description box. Okay, now this is the coupon that we're going to be getting, and it says it's $1.50 off 1 Downy Tide Gain or Dress fabric rinse, 16 ounces or larger. It is a manufacturer coupon, and it expires on the 28th, so I have a long time to use this coupon. So I'm going to use this coupon, this paper coupon, along with all my digitals. All right, so now not only do we have to go up to 27, we need to go up to $29. Let's do the math. It's $10 for the booster, it's $3.50 for the small space, it's $6.95 for the Tide rinse, and then it's $9.95 for the Tide with Downy detergent. Takes us to $30.40. So we're actually off about $1.40, so we should be in the clear. So now we're going to take the first thing is going to come off, $2 off the Tide, that $2 DG for the Tide rinse. So those 2 coupons are going to come off. It puts us at $26.40. Now it's going to take that 5 off 25. It's going to take that 5 off the Febreze booster, that $2.50 off the small space, that $1.50 paper coupon off of the Tide rinse, and then that $1.50 manufacturer coupon off that Tide with Downy, okay? Takes us down to $10.90. My thing is that this is $9.95 right here. Divide that by 4 products, $2.72. $2.72, $2.72, and $2.72. That is an awesome deal, guys. Make sure you stay to the end because I got a deal under for $7 or less if you have cash back in your wallet. So let's get to that deal. Here's the deal that you're going to pay $7 or less for if you have your wallet. Don't forget your cash in your wallet. You're going to pick 2 Vaselines up there, $4 each. We have a $4 off 2 coupon. Let's turn that on. 2 Axe at $5.75 or $5.95 with a $6 off 2 coupon. And then we already know the Degree is $3.75. It's a $2 coupon. The Febreze is $3.50 and it's a $2.50 coupon plus our 5 off 25. So let's scan these 2 items. And the Vaseline is $4 and you have a 4 off 2 coupon. Axe is $5.75. You have a $6 off 2 coupon. Now if you get the spray, it is a extra $1 coupon that you can use. It is a Dollar General, so you would have to go up by $26. Let's do the math. 4 plus 4 for the Vaseline plus $5.75 for each Axe deodorant plus $3.75 for the Degree plus $3.50 for the small space. It's going to take us to $26.75. Well, we're over by $1.75. So take your 5 off 25, take your 4 off the Vaseline, take your 6 off the Axe, take your 2 off the Degree, and take your $2.50 off of the Febreze small space, leaving you at $7.25. Divide that by 2 for 6 products. You're going to pay $1.20. Thing is that I'm paying $1.20 for Vaseline, lotion, deodorant, all of that. And we went 20 cents over for this, but that's okay because it's included in this deal, guys. Let's get to some substitutes. I want your substitutes to involve the coupons if you have them, okay? An awesome substitute we could do is the Tide Hygienic. Now it's a 45 count. It's at $19.95. When we look at it, it's $19.95. We have a $3 off manufacturer coupon, Dollar General coupon that expires tomorrow. That also can be stacked with this coupon right here, 32 count or larger, and so that is a 45 count. So it goes. So they're going to take $6 off. So if you do this with a 5 off 25, you will have to go up by $3 to cover that Dollar General coupon. So you can come right here to the Downy Unstoppable. It's at $5. Let's scan it. Okay. We see it's at $5, no coupon, but it is a $2 manufacturer coupon right here, and it started at 4.8 ounces. This is what I don't want you to forget. That Persia right here is $9.95. They have a couple of coupons. They have the spend 15 get $3 off DG, and then they have the $2 off manufacturer, which that's the one we're going to take. And then look at this, guy. They have a cash back of $2.50 if you have not used it, okay? You also can go over and you can get another one of these small spaces to add to your deal because you could use 2 per household. Don't forget the Purex is at $10, but it also has a $2 coupon to it. If you did not use your extra coupon, it's $5.95. It's a $2 coupon. Don't forget the Dawn washes. Now all the Dawn detergents have coupons to them. Now the Power Wash has a $2 coupon. This is it right here, but again, these coupons don't expire to the 28th, so you can get the refill for $4 and pay $2 for it. Now, so it's a way you can use your manufacturer. You can buy 2 of these, use that, $2 each, $4. Then you can get the Dawn Platinums. You see this Dawn right here? It says Dawn Ultra Removes Grease, $2.85. When I scan it, it's $2.75, so it's a sale. But this is what I want you to look at. So we're going to go to how to use these coupons. Okay, $2, 1 Dawn. Do you see that little R right there? That means it's a registered trademark behind the word Dawn. You can use any Dawn, so you actually can get 2 of those. Guys, it is plenty of things you can use those coupons on. Just make sure you use them wisely. Use them during your 5 off of 25. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe. Share Ivy's coupon account. We don't gatekeep. Bye.